Do you ever wonder what the R button does on your Xbox controller and how to use it the right way? You're not alone. Many kids and even adults get confused about what the press R means, especially when playing cool games like Minecraft, Fortnite, Roblox. But don't worry, today we're going to solve that mystery. So first, R usually means the right bumper or right stick. It depends on the game. So like in Minecraft, pressing the right stick lets you crouch or sneak. Just push the right stick down like a button. So in Fortnite, the right bumper switches items fast, okay? I'll repeat, in Fortnite, the right bumper switches items fast so that you can build or fight better. So try tapping it quickly during a match. In Roblox, games can change what the right bumper does, but it often lets you scroll or use a special tool. In Rocket League, pushing the right stick helps you to look around fast while driving. In Call of Duty, it's used to throw grenades or switch weapons. So, learning how to press R helps you win and play like a pro. Now that you know the secret, leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. Ciao.